Okay, so today we're doing a worn transformer bumper and winch on this 2018 Ford F250. My bad, 350. Already got the bumper off, trying to figure out hardware and getting the little brackets mounted up. And then get that installed, the uprights for the brush guard, and then drop the winch in there. Alright, so we got the winch plate mounted, getting the uprights in place. Everything's loosely in place for now, just so we can get everything set up and in place and don't have to fight with anything. Say hi, William.
Hey.
I didn't say hey, say hey. You're supposed to say hi. Smile a little bit. It's good for your soul.
My soul left me.
Come on, guys. Alright. Transformer bumper is on. The brush guard and everything is all tightened down. Now we're going to be doing the winch. That goes right there.